vegetation can limit lines of sight and arcs of fire, but can also provide ample opportunity for camouflage and plenty of material to build fortifications. Successful jungle fighting emphasizes effective small unit tactics and leadership. It's critical to have a flexible and adaptive force that knows how to operate in close quarters and is experienced in jungle warfare. Training commandos for jungle warfare enhances their critical thinking and understanding.
Primarily the Naxal movement was able to flourish because of lack of development. And railway is an amazing vehicle of development. And the Naxals are aware. So Naxals were hell-bent on not allowing the railways to be constructed. So they would attack the projects, they would burn down the machinery in the night, or they would even kidnap the contractors and railway employees, railway engineers. So that is when we realized that rather than depending on intervention from NSG or state police, the RPF needed to be self-sufficient or Atmanirbhar in this area. So that is how it came to this setup.
In order to develop the world-class capabilities of specialized responder for any situation, Chorus was launched on 14th August 2019. The ongoing railway projects in deep forested areas of Dantewada or Rourkela in Orissa are monumental endeavors crucial to our nation's progress. The subversive elements used to create obstructions, demand levy, burn construction equipment, derail trains, kidnap construction workers, railway employees or guards or drivers of the trains, and created various other hindrances to stall the progress of the work. With Chorus commandos on site, the projects are progressing at a fast pace and some of the sections are nearing completion. Till recently, these anti-India elements orchestrated 3 to 4 derailments each year, and each derailment led to restoration work costing 18 crores. However, with deployment of Chorus, the derailments caused by LWE elements have come down to zero.
रेलवे सुरक्षा विशेष बल का जो है इतिहास बहुत गौरवशाली रहा है और इसका गठन चाइनीज़ एग्रेशन के जस्ट बाद हुआ था, जबकि चाइनीज़ आर्मी हमारी टेरिटरी के अंदर घुस गई और हमारे सप्लाई लाइंस के रेलवे सप्लाई लाइंस को उन्होंने डिसरप्ट कर दिया। तो मिलिट्री को उनकी इक्विपमेंट और उनके डिफरेंट और रसद इत्यादि पहुंचने में दिक्कतें शुरू हुई और ये माना गया कि जब फ्रंट लाइन में अगर आर्मी रहती है तो उसको बैकएंड से जो भी रेलवे की सप्लाई लाइंस है उसको सिक्योर करना बहुत ही ज़रूरी है। इसीलिए रेलवे सुरक्षा विशेष बल आरपीएसएफ की पहली बटालियन का गठन लमडिंग में 1963 में हुआ था और उन्होंने करीब 3 से 4 साल तक लगातार आर्मी के अंदर काम करके और रेलवे की सप्लाई लाइंस को सिक्योर किया, जिससे कि आर्मी अपना काम ढंग से वहाँ कर पाई। उसके बाद इस फोर्स की यूटिलिटी तत्कालीन प्रशासन को समझ में आई और उसके बाद अलग अलग जगहों पे आरपीएसएफ की बटालियनों का गठन किया गया और आज के दिन में आरपीएसएफ की 15 बटालियनें देश के विभिन्न स्थानों में कार्यरत हैं और उसमें एक कोरस बटालियन जो कि कमांडो बटालियन और एक महिला बटालियन दोनों इंक्लूडेड हैं।
Team Sunset TV visited the headquarters of the Commando Training Center at Jagadri in Haryana. Here the minds and bodies of trainees are tested beyond the limits of endurance as they begin a tough training program that prepares them to become commandos. The drill aims to validate the battle preparedness, readiness, operational effectiveness and deep strike offensive capabilities. No two situations in life or war can be similar. So it's all about how extreme a commando's body and mind can handle. The commando is made to do all things which he hasn't done before. No plans are known to anyone. They are driven to the limits their body, mind and soul can take. It's all about romancing dangers and risks. The training is to enhance the endurance, confidence and the knowledge levels so that he gets a complete insight of special missions and operations. One shot, one kill. No luck, only skill. Yes, that's the kind of skill set that the Chorus Commandos possess and exhibit on the field. But let's see how they're trained in. Shoot to kill is the motto of firing. Commandos are trained in combat shooting to utilize the firing practices in actual combat situations. Different shooting techniques are taught, while firing skills mark the foundation for any security personnel. It is his expertise that graduates him into being a commando. A large and diverse country like ours comes with multiple security concerns, requiring evolution and modification in the drills. A commando is well trained to handle situations involving hostages in a room filled with terrorists and distinguish and eliminate the hostiles. Every victorious journey begins with turbulent challenges. Unmatched dedication and ruthless training is the bedrock of Chorus Commandos, which ensures that they take on counter-terrorist operations in railway areas across the country at short notice. Chorus Commandos are proficient in house intervention. The house intervention team moves from room to room, searching and clearing each room diligently and deliberately, checking all nooks and crannies of the room to make sure no terrorist stays hidden inside. Once it is ascertained that all terrorists have been neutralized, the building is sanitized, and the criminals are handed over to state police authorities. In the modern age, trains can be a soft target for terrorists or anti-national elements. People with criminal tendencies can hijack a coach of a moving train or a train parked at a station and take passengers as hostages.
In case the train gets hijacked or any coach gets hijacked, here's how the Chorus Commandos ace the Train Intervention Act to neutralize the hijackers and rescue and free the passengers.
Keeping in mind the challenges, the training has been designed so that our commandos are equipped and trained to intervene in such a situation. The commandos are trained to deal with hostile situation and ensure maximum protection to passengers and railway property with minimum collateral damage.
The Indian Railways transports people and freight across 67,000 route kilometers in India. On several occasions, it passes through dense forests. Therefore, it is important to train the Chorus Commandos in jungle warfare. The course is designed to test the physical and mental capabilities and resilience of the commandos in harsh jungle conditions.